Hey guys, Carlos over at BearBullTraders.com. Just want to take a few minutes to show you one of the trades we did this morning in our chat room. We took a nice opening range breakdown on AMD. Here are the charts that I was showing in the chat room, and then here you have your the live scanners that we share with our community every day. So on AMD, at first the open was very choppy, as you can see here. That it sold off, then it sold up, and then finally here started settling in a little bit on what it wanted to do. So once this candle starts selling off and losing the VWAP, I wait 5 minutes for the 935 candle. Once the 935 candle opened up, it did this pullback, and then on the way down, I jumped back in. So that's my signal to jump back in. Once I got in, it did sell off a little more down to here, but then it sold right back up, and then the next candle, it hit my stop loss at 2050, so I jumped right out. Over here, then it continues to go up. It tests the VWAP. It doesn't close above it, or it doesn't crack it, and it starts selling off again. So this was a signal for me that the stock still looks weak and could still be in play for sure. So once it hits this level right over here, I jump back in for a short here and then take advantage of this move towards this level, taking profits on the way down. And then I was hoping to get to this level here, but here actually on the last profit taking, I hit the wrong hotkey. I took everything out instead of leaving some on the table. As you can see in the 5-minute chart, it did continue to sell off because it was very weak. At the same time, the SPY was selling off, so it was probably dragging this stock up lower. Either way, it's still a great trade, but the most important thing on here is once you get your signal, which I got here, get in the trade without hesitation and set your stop loss. And even more important, if the stock is still in play and it comes back and you still get another signal with a good risk to reward, jump back in the trade. This is what Andrew is really good at doing. He's able to, if the stock is still in play, jump back into the trade without hesitation and then take advantage of this move here. All right, guys, hope everyone had a good day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning in the pre-market show.